Hi, good evening. My name is Nicole Thomas, and today I will be talking about academic achievement assessments, particularly the Woodcock Johnson 4 tests of achievement. Okay, so the Woodcock Johnson 4 tests of achievement was written by Richard W. Woodcock, Kevin S. McGrew, Frederick A. Schrank, and Nancy Mather. And it was developed late 1970s, but the most recent revision was made in 2014. The purpose of this assessment is the individual evaluation of academic achievement. However, oral language competence is assessed using the Woodcock Johnson 4 tests of oral language, and cognitive development is assessed via the Woodcock Johnson 4 tests of cognitive abilities. And today, of course, we're going to be focusing on the tests of achievement, which is comprised of 20 subtests for measuring reading, written language, mathematics, and academic knowledge. And of course, this assessment is good. It's pertinent for ages 2 to 90 years. I mean, they use this assessment on children up to adults, of course, through kindergarten through 12th grade and college as well. The administrative time is approximately 5 minutes per test, so it takes about 60 to 70 minutes on average. The 20 subtests consist of the standard battery and the extended battery. And then, of course, here is the list for both. The standard battery is comprised of letter-word identification, applied problems, spelling, passage comprehension, calculation, writing samples, word attack, oral reading, sentence reading fluency, math facts fluency, and writing fluency. The extended battery is consisting of reading recall, number matrices, editing, word reading fluency, spelling of sounds, reading vocabulary, science, social studies, and humanities. Several new tests were added in the most recent revision of this classic assessment in 2014. Test 8, the oral reading test, allows for the assessment of oral reading skills while reading aloud. And then, of course, the reading recall test is closely similar to classroom reading comprehension tasks. The word reading fluency measures the evaluation of reading rates. And number matrices has introduced mathematics problem solving in matrix format. Science, social studies, and humanities tests have been expanded in scope and updated in content. This academic knowledge cluster assesses the student's level of knowledge in these subjects relative to his or her age group and grade level. The student is tested upon academic knowledge as well as academic achievement as a comparison between the two. This allows administrators to determine whether the student's academic achievement levels are parallel with or differing from his or her general academic knowledge. And of course, this assists with determining whether the student requires further testing. Woodcock Johnson 4 is administered to identify specific areas where targeted academic intervention is needed for students who do not respond to instructional intervention. It is used to determine special education eligibility in an RTI-only model, as it assesses patterns of student strengths and weaknesses. It is also used in the evaluation of specific learning disabilities in adults. It is pertinent that school administrators have proper interpretation of data and receive the most reliable data so that the correct academic intervention is provided to each student. And then, of course, here are my resources. All right, thank you so much for watching and listening to my PowerPoint here, and I hope you have a great evening.